Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Amazon Kindle 11 to Wi-Fi. To do that, let's tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and let's open Settings. Here in Settings we're looking for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Go to Wi-Fi Networks. And select the network that you want to connect to. Once you select the network, you're gonna have to enter the password to it. Use the on-screen keyboard to do that. Once you've entered the password, just tap Connect and wait until you are connected to this Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.